Yes, my people, you don't know. I want Money Ross again. And we're there with a brand new movie. And that one you call Ramp With My Ting, you see me? So I want the people them like, share and subscribe. Like up the movie, comment. Don't forget to comment, you see me I say? Yeah man. Now go hold up the thing too long. But tell a friend to tell a friend. One Money Ross. Like, share, subscribe. What is under my nose? I'm out.
Lights blur, I don't wait, I don't stay long. Hands reach out, but I'm already gone. No footprints, no chain, no past to claim. Too cool to chase, too smooth to tame. Clock don't tick when me step in the room. Flicker in the dark, still light up the mood. Watch them try, but don't come close. Vibes.
Go on, brother.
Yeah, man.
You good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Respect, you know, man. Good to know that you're good.
Yeah,
Me there, man. I'm come to some more reason with you, isn't it?
I mean, I wait for a long time to reason with everywhere, man. So I have to show him, say, boy, yo, let's find out ramp with certain things, and have a better thing, man. Talk, you know. You understand? Because you would like to hear a better thing, though, drop down when you start. And you don't go and see, to pick it up back.
Right.
You understand?
Right,
so,
right. Which is the right way.
Yeah,
anybody would look out for them,
yeah,
brother.
Yeah, I want him to. Wrong thing.
I want him to.
And I bet so.
I'm mad, man.
So now they say, yo, Bexing to make it pop.
I'm mad, man. Say, no, no, say you have to tell me what I want.
Right thing, man.
Let me show you have to tell me what I want. You saw me I show you when me look into it. Him not tell me what I want fully, you know. Him just say, yo, me get some youth to rent the car, and him just bust them because the youth them they have the cash. But me I say, yo, you are bust the youth them, but the youth them I drive the car careless, brother. A rough, me have to link to fix this, and me have to link the other mechanic, you know, brother, to make it look like nothing, you know, because me can't show the work on rough, you know. And you see it turn out, brother, the car them a mash up, and the little money where you give me can't fully cover this, brother. And it a slow me up because car I go there shop and people I come for car. So what kind of business me I run? Come on, man. I better me go in a taxi business.
Yeah, that kind of rum friend that me rent the car. That's a car.
I better we go in a taxi business car. If business have a straight, brother. Business can't go a grow. Just done with the rental business. Because him not understand the thing. You know, quite frank that him not understand the thing. Because if him truly understand the thing, he would have know the proper people for rent the car, not like a young youth. Right, we just learn to drive, we want just do what them feel like to do, you see me? A careless set of thing that, I'm not there on that. Right, I up more on the business going on, and down.
Right, you see youth them might rent the car, youth them lack of experience, you see me? You will let him, and a change. It all end up with a knock, yeah. So the right thing I do, go and change it up.
You see me?
You see me?
And I him me I go make run the car, you see me?
Yeah, better for him. Cause he can't play with the thing, you know.
He can't ramp with me thing. You're mad, man. Him can't ramp with the thing. I may have my youth to deal with, man. You're mad.
Yeah, man. I know you have youth, so you can't play with the thing.
Yeah, man. Fire sparks can't deal with them thing, man. I just straight business, you see me? So this is why I'm there now. And me a reason because you have to know what one.
Of course.
This is not a joking thing. This is not a ramping thing. Nobody ramp with the thing you saw. You see me I say? So, black man, I give him a next chance. What you say me for do, brother?
Give him a chance, man. I can't ramp with the thing.
You see?
He would never ramp with the thing.
Like him ramp with me thing, you know. Him a ramp with me youth thing.
Yes.
And him a ramp with Pin Pitney thing. Him a ramp with your Pitney thing. And we now play that round here.
We know that, man. We know that today.
Up with that.
Yeah,
we
man.
try elevate ourselves and reach our one place. No why not this ring around here and I go round this, so. And I jump this, so. I want steady business we want deal with. We never even need to even jump from the rental thing, you know. But you see, just to him can't hold it. Him don't know who to even deal. Him they have a customer base. I be a young head him want deal with, be a rumhead or be a mad people or what.
Look what going on now. We have to tell him, say, like going on the taxi. We want no drink and drive, you know, brother. If I'm a drive a car, we don't say enough you have a drink, you know. But no drink and drive.
No drink and drive. You're mad, man.
Yeah, man. I drink and drive, now make it, you know, that.
Yo, black man. I mean, I want him ramp with my thing.
I don't have any license, so I don't know, say, boy, yo, right now, what am I do? I poet thing I'm dealing with. The same thing, but our thing. That's it.
Right.
Your thing, your youth and my youth, same way too.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
I'm have to do the thing right way.
Right, bro.
You understand?
You see me?
Yeah,
and
man.
a ramp with the thing.
And a ramp with the thing, dog.
Yeah, man. Same way. Don't ramp with the thing.
Don't the thing.
So, when him come pick up the car, I make him know, say, nobody ramp with the thing. I not say nothing more to you. Just go do road here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Talk to black man already, so nobody please say, Ray. You not worry yourself. You're still in at the link. You still are gonna make money with it. So, hear me, I say, focus and do what you have to do. You see what I say? Right. And I tell him, say, yourself to come link here because me don't know him. Say, he don't have nothing.
Yeah,
so, I say, go link black man, because I go link you today. And him say, man, come link you, so. Me have to be careful. I have to know what I do. All me day about me go in a business. I have to know what I do. You see me? But regardless of what, we just keep him up to the time. You see me? We not let him out. We little brother see him way.
You know, you know?
Right. Him there hold up the business when me never there. You know what I mean? So now that my back and we are dealing with some other things, so we are keep him in a link. What me gonna do still now is say me get one pizza for little boy and make a little flex and then circle back come link here. You see me?
I mean, there, man.
But me link Fire Sparks, me and him talk, so everything is everything. Know what I mean? Him say my link you when him done and make sure you and him good on everything. Cause him say to you there talk to him never like it and way. And I play. Yo. So I say, yo, just easy, man.
I'm a try to get aggressive, man, you know? So because he knows I'm do the wrong thing, you know?
But me I got chip out here.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man.
Yeah,
Look him
man.
up and now.
Alright.
And tell him to link me when he ready.
Alright. Yeah, man. That's it now.
Already. That's it. Yo, you're talking about? Draft it. Yeah, get it. Now the flag. Already. 2 more. Right away. Already. Richard. Come in.
Yo, Fire Sparks.
Yo.
Yeah, man. You must like the machine, though.
Yeah, man, I want to pay money, Rasta.
Man, that my like, man. That's why we do what we do, man.
2 chip, I run a while ago and 3,000. You know, money there on the road, brother.
Just do what you have to do, man, and make what you have to make, man. You see me? That me I talk about, man. I know that thing here was a great move, you know? Come and talk to my brother Blacks and him there tell me, say, yeah, man, I want great move. You see me? Yeah, man, so just take time and make the money, man. That's what I talk about, you know. You see it?
Man, you know, I'm not ramp with the thing, man. Like Godfather, right now, the thing up and running, brother. You see me? Can't clean the money and make every move, me move.
Yeah, man, just don't ramp with it, man. You don't know the thing, go.
Active still bad, bro. Can't run good and we move right now. Money me a collect, you know, that. Sweeter than fear do car rental, that.
Someone want you happy too, you know, man. Someone want you happy and feel good, you see me?
Alright, now, we should take time and we show to the dog. And I told you to touch the road now, you know. I do say right now, when you move, and money me a collect. You just have to go in the car first, my dog.
Yeah, man, the car nice, man. The car nice, though.
Yeah, man, I mean.
Yeah. You know, when I knew PS Pro Box, man, I see me don't get everything licensed up here and everything straight, so you don't have to worry about it. You see me? Yeah, man, a money trail. Yeah, man, I say nothing, man. If anything, little more, we'll link up back here. Just keep it up, no, man, and make you know what I go on the road here. Yeah, man, I link blocks, I say nothing.
Alright, say what?
Yo,
Go on, brother.
You know, some of them, I fix up some other thing I forgot to do, brother.
You know, me link the one Fire Sparks and they must say, yo, everything is everything.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, him have the car and him a do road, you see me?
What?
Yeah, man, him a do road, so.
Got him too long time, man.
I tell you, say, yo, a good move, a good look.
I like his style.
Him a tell me, say, a good look, so, you know, him feel happy. I'm glad that
Yeah,
him
man,
feel
yeah,
that way
man.
there because, you see,
I feel
one
like,
night time,
feel like say I fight against him, but I don't fight against him.
yeah, one night time, him a pray, like, you know, we not do this film or we take him out of the game and them sitting there, but watch I know. The man happy, the happiest man right now. Wow. Call him, if you hear how happy the man sound, brother, and I say, yes, we finally get one bridging where really love the taxi thing, you see it?
Yeah,
and
make
to,
it.
yeah, and to him now, he must say, your money I make.
Wow.
Every trip him go, is that money?
What?
So me I say, yeah man, just go and do the badness and don't ramp with the thing, you see me? Dog say, yo, every move you make is a money.
Wow.
Yeah man, and I say, what?
Right thing him a do.
The baddest thing that, brother.
Wow.
Yeah man, so me I tell him, say, yo, continue do what you do, you see me? Because the more you do, the more we are going to see what go on.
Yeah, man.
And you can't ramp with the things.
Yeah, man, the more you run the taxi, man, the more money, you know.
You see me?
You understand? And you see, if I run the taxi, I work for money, boy, I go for you now.
Well, be knowing.
You
You
see?
don't know him, be knowing in the road. That's Sparks, man. I remember say artist again, man.
Yeah man,
Yes, man.
remember say I will little
I know
brother
it,
man,
man.
but remember say, you know, we give him the rental business and he come like say, yo, I be a young youth him want deal with when I have no head. Here rum them want drink and be sitting, but me not dep on that. Taxi thing, a money thing me dep on a money trail. So him have to keep up with it. You see what me I
I
say?
come around taxi, man. You can't drink around, man. You drink you after taxi.
Yeah, brother, we don't want nobody to bring we are ground.
No,
And we
sir.
don't want nobody where no with the business. You have to with the business, with the team. It's a team thing this.
Remember I say, you know, building come to build the team, you know. So, if I build the team, you know, you don't know, you know, we have a team.
Yeah, you see
See,
me?
without a team,
Can't live with him.
no, the dream can't work.
You see me?
You understand? When the team did a dream have to work. So I don't know Fire Sparks, I'm glad for him too, you know?
Yeah man.
Because I don't want him to feel like say boy, I'm a premium, you know? I'm glad for him, man. What do you say, man?
Yeah man, may I say I hope him do the right thing this
Yeah,
time.
man,
Cause
man,
I
do the
like
right thing,
complain, I like problem in a
I'm
man.
going to do the right thing for
You
you.
see what me I say? I like things we are going in order, things we are going the right way. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we not like to jump right this and then I jump this again. No, we not depend that. Where from? No, brother.
So we have one thing to do.
Here we have to settle and know so we're there in
Yeah, man.
one thing and we are elevate. You see
Yeah,
me?
man, because we have some more car we put on the road now.
Sure, man.
We have to think about who will get the next car them to drive.
I mean, I plan say, yo, the next 2 months, I want to reach back to New York and start out some other business. You see me?
See how we are, man.
But actually, you never know. Yo, me there left. I want me left. Good concept. Yeah, man, just continue support the channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know? One Money Ras TV. It only spell one spell, no space. Money Ras TV. Look out for the next one, people. Good storyline. May I put in the work, may I put in the work. That's why I wanna haven't seen me for a while. But now I'm back with brand new content, people. Support the channel. Like, share, subscribe continually. Tell a friend to tell a friend. One Money Ras. What is our number noise? I'm out.